Welcome to Foxtecc. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of video production: how to remove background noise from your videos recorded on an iPhone. This step is essential for ensuring your final product sounds professional and clear. Let's break down the process and explore the tools you can use to achieve great results. When you record a video using your iPhone's built-in camera, it's important to know that the device already uses some basic noise reduction techniques. These built-in methods help to reduce unwanted sounds, but they are quite limited and don't offer much control over the settings. Essentially, the camera is capturing both the video and the audio as they are, with only minimal filtering of background noise. If you're looking for more control over your audio during the recording process, you might consider using a third-party camera app. However, most of these apps still prioritize capturing the video and don't provide advanced features for managing background noise. They capture what they see and hear, leaving the detailed audio work for post-production. So, if your goal is to remove background noise from your video, the best approach is to handle this in post-production rather than attempting to do it while recording. This method gives you the flexibility and control needed to clean up your audio effectively. There are several apps available on the App Store designed specifically to help you with this task. For example, Noise Reducer is a free option that offers basic noise reduction capabilities. For more advanced features, you might want to consider a paid app like Denoise, which provides more sophisticated tools for cleaning up your audio. Using these apps is straightforward. You simply import your recorded video into the app and then use the available tools to filter out the unwanted background noise. This process allows you to fine-tune your audio, ensuring that your final video sounds clear and professional. My recommendation is to record your video as usual, capturing the best possible footage. Once you have your recording, you can then use these post-production tools to eliminate any unwanted background noise. This approach not only improves the quality of your audio, but also ensures that your video meets a professional standard. Try and see how they can enhance your video's audio quality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Peace.